Hi, I'm Miss Shelley, and welcome to my science show. Since I live in Chicago, it can get pretty cold and damp outside, so I wear a nice heavy coat to keep me warm. Once I'm inside my house, I turn up the temperature on my thermostat, grab my dog Ronnie, and snuggle up under a blanket on the couch. Ooh. There's other things humans have done too to survive in their environments, but I'm gonna take a nap while cameraman Dave sets up the next shot.
Miss Shelley's Science Show.
We know that plants and animals need air, water, and food to survive. Depending on where a plant or animal lives, there are many different ways they may change their environment to help them survive. Some examples of where plants and animals live could be habitats such as the rainforest, the desert, a river, or if they're crazy, the Arctic. That one's not for me. While living in these environments, animals can change their surroundings to help meet their needs. For example, an animal living in a very hot desert environment might build a burrow underground to help them stay cool. Plants living on the bottom of the rainforest floor may begin to grab on and stick to surrounding plants to climb up to the sunlight. Animals living in cold Arctic climates might build dens that are insulated to keep them warm, huddle up in groups, or wear nice heavy coats and hats. Birds might use sticks and twigs to build a nest high up in a tree to keep themselves and their babies safe from predators. A beaver may slow or stop the flow of a river by building a beaver dam to live in. Sometimes it seems like Ronnie thinks he's a beaver. He builds beaver dams with his dog toys that block the flow of traffic from one room to the other. And these are just a few ways plants and animals can change their environments to survive.
What about humans? You said you'd give us more examples.
Oh, you're right. I think I know what this show needs. A little cross-curricular connection with history. Off to the library. Throughout history, humans have changed their environment to better suit their needs. By building roads, homes, and farmlands, they have lived in environments all over the world. From hot deserts to frozen tundras, humans have become the most adaptable animals in the world. Things like curling up with a blanket when you're cold, to pulling out an umbrella when it's raining outside, and standing under a tree on a sunny day, humans adapt to their environment all the time. I'm going back to modern times, but I hope you think about ways you adapt to your environment. And I'll see you next time on another episode of Miss Shelley's Science Show.